How was this animation created? A big mystery that I will reveal to you today, my dear Francisas. Look at this beautiful image. They are looking right into your soul. Well, not mine because I don't have one. Let's use camera raw filter to make some beautiful colors. Make the shadows lighter to see all the small details. And let's add some beautiful pink and greenish colors. Wow! Then I decided to do here some weird stuff like making the eyes bright, adding some rainbow colors, but eventually I didn't like how it looks, so abort mission, abort mission. Then I went to liquify and decided to give them some beautiful big eyes. The bigger the eyes, the cuter you are, right? Let's color his eyes with black colors. All of them. Darkness is going to take over. Create a rectangle using rectangle tool. Make the borders white and give him some outer glow to make it shine bright like a diamond. Tonight we beautiful like diamonds in the sky, but not you. Use mask to make some parts of the shapes disappear. Do the same for the other girls using different shapes like circles, triangles, hexagons, sixagons, sevenagons, eightagons, ninetagons, pentagons. Shine bright like a diamond. Now let's add some drop shadow to make this thing look more realistico. And now, destroy! The end. Bye. Whoa, wait. Stupid, did you really leave? I am not yet done with you. Now when we have this beautiful artwork, we can start animating it. I will use an app called MagLife. But before that, short ad break. Are you tired from being ugly? Are you tired from scrolling on Instagram and seeing ugly art? Are you tired from creating ugly artworks? Then learnfromfred.com is what you need. There you will master Photoshop and After Effects, learn how to create stunning artworks and animations, and finally, learn how you can fake your own images so you can finally look beautiful on them. Learnfromfred.com. Access all classes now for just $5. La fini the ad break. Let's import our artwork into the app. Boom! Now here we can go to pose face tool and use the points to make her our puppet. To animate the other faces, you will have to manually add them and do the whole process over again. Don't forget to save this, and very important, add tags like Fred is the best guy. I love him. Let's get married. Whoa, stop. Abort mission, abort mission. That was close. Check the link in the description for more detailed art process, and also make sure to like and subscribe or I will destroy your Photoshop. Bye.